This is the 7th question for our online tutorial. The question is the rate of increase of potential energy when the crude oil is pumped at a rate of 30 kg per second is 50,500 joule per second. Calculate the distance of that crude oil from ground level if the pump is located 15 meter above ground level. So we try to extract the information given in the questions. Okay, the rate of increase of potential energy means increase of potential energy means we have delta EP here. Okay, the rate of increase means delta EP when the crude oil is pumped at a rate of 30 kg per second, where we have m dot here, mass flow rate. This delta EP equals 50,500 joule per second. Okay, calculate the distance of that crude oil from ground level if the pump is located 15 meter above ground level. Okay, so if we have a ground level here and we have a pump here, okay, pump, then the distance is 15 meter. Okay, we need to find the distance from the ground level of the crude oil. We know that crude oil is below ground level, right? Okay, so this will be the distance we are looking for, Z1, because this is the initial distance. Okay, the initial location of crude oil. Okay, this is crude oil. This is Z2. Okay, the final position. Okay, so we have mgz, mg delta z. Okay, we have formula delta EP equals mg delta z. So we have EP equals 50,500 given in the question. We have m mass flow rate equals 30 given in the question. G, we already know the gravitational acceleration is 9.81, and we have this one as Z2 and Z1. Okay, so how to find Z1? We just solve this equation, then finally we will get Z1 equals minus 156.59. This minus sign shows that it is below ground level.